So we're going to go through some myofascial release techniques that you can do sitting right in your office, whether it's at home or actually in the office. These are strategies that you can use using just a lacrosse ball. We're going to focus on the upper body in this video. So starting off from the top down, we're going to work into what we call the suboccipital region or the base of the skull here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this lacrosse ball and you're going to fall off the base of the skull right into the meaty portion of the neck, staying nice and high. I am slightly off center. So if this is center, we're going to be slightly off center into that meaty portion here. And then I want to be doing a chin tuck motion into the pressure of the ball. So with the ball there behind me, I'm going to do that chin tuck motion and then relax. If I can exhale into the chin tuck, that's preferable. And ideally, I'd spend a minute or so on each side there at the neck. From there, we can move into more of the upper back. If you have a higher chair, this might be a little bit easier. And if you have a smaller chair, you're just going to have to lounge back a little bit more until you get that lacrosse ball nice and high up into that upper shoulder. Once you're there, you're going to lean into that lacrosse ball, move around till you find some tender spots, and then we're going to move that shoulder really any direction we want to. But we just want to get a little bit of movement again, like we did with the chin tuck, into that upper back, sinking into that lacrosse ball. So again, as you're moving the arm, you might want to pair the belly breathing with the motion. So it's And similarly, a minute or two spending time there, finding other places along the back that you can work into. From here, we're going to work into the upper trap. So on on top of the shoulder, the meaty portion is what we're going for here. How I like to do this one is I like to go into the desk. So if you have a place where you can lean into the desk here, and then now we're going to shrug into the desk, and then exhale and relax and sink in. Shrug and relax. Shrug and exhale and relax. And again, we're moving through these fairly quickly, but ideally you pick one or two that are high priority for you and just spend a little bit of extra time sinking into those pressure points. Lastly, just kind of a bonus one. A lot of times when we're working on a computer for a long time, we can kind of get tightness up into the jaw and have some TMJ issues. So with that lacrosse ball, you can take the lacrosse ball. I like to create a little bit of twist, kind of get a skin lock there. And then you can either massage gently into that jaw and TMJ area, or you can also open and close gently the mouth. So with that pressure, that light to moderate pressure into the muscle. If you're not sure where to go, put your fingers on either side of the jaw, clench down, and when you feel those muscles bulge out into your fingers, those are the muscles that you want to target there. So you can target there and then also clench down and you'll feel the muscles bulge into your fingers in the temporal region here. So again, just spending a little bit of time, pressure and massage, or pressure and some gentle open and close, staying within a range that you can tolerate if you do have any sort of TMJ issues. So give these a shot. And we've got a few here for the neck and shoulder complex. Try these throughout the day. Use these as like quick 2, 3 minute breaks that you can do every hour. And you might feel that coming home from the day, you're feeling a lot better than had you not incorporated these into your workday. Enjoy.